Hey guys, Teagan here from Blue Sense Digital. Here are 3 tips for improving your productivity when working in the Chrome browser. So diving straight into it, the first tip is using tab groups. So let's say we have 3 tabs open over here and we want to consolidate these down into one tab if we're not working on this group of tabs. So what we do is we'd right click on the tab, go to add to tab group, and we go to new group. We can choose a color and let's just call this test. Then as you can see here, if we just click out of this, we get a tab group. We can drag more tabs into that tab group, and then we can minimize that tab group quite easily. So as you can see, we can keep our tabs open, but just keep them consolidated into different tab groups. So that was point number 1, which I use all the time, and I think that's super useful. Point number 2 is bookmarks. So I'm sure you're very aware of bookmarking different websites or whatever in the bookmarks bar up at the top over here. Now, just for reference, you can, if you right click on this, you can add a folder, and then you can obviously name that specific folder, and then you can drag different bookmarks into each folder. So as you can see here, I organize all my different client accounts into their various folders, and everything's all organized nicely like that. Now, one thing with the tab group that is really cool is if you have a folder, for example, let's just take this folder. If you right click on that folder and you say open all in new tab group, that'll open up everything for you in a new tab group, as you can see, and then you can minimize that whole folder like that. So it's a super productive way of working and managing everything. So that is number 2. Then number 3 is the actual bookmarks bar itself. So if we just head into this search result here where I, obviously search for Miami, as you can see here, we have no bookmarks bar in this section here when we're actually in or working in a tab. And then only when we open a new tab does our bookmarks bar appear. And this is super helpful because, we save half a centimeter of space in between, where we're working and the URL bar by not having that bookmarks bar there. And when we're in a tab, 90% of the time we're not needing that bookmarks bar there anyway, and we only need that when we open a new tab. So to enable that setting, just head over to the 3 dots here, go to bookmarks and lists, and then from here go show bookmarks bar. And as you can see here, that will enable that bookmarks bar above my search results. And as you can see, it's a waste of a centimeter of space. So to remove that, head back to bookmarks and lists, and then go hide bookmarks bar. And as you can see, that'll hide that bookmarks bar for you. So that was it. There were 3 quick little productivity tips that should make your life a lot easier when using Chrome. If you like that, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.